How to install Shopify app in Shopify. So first, go to Shopify store, and then here, once you're here, you can just click on apps here at the left side, and then you can just click on app and sales channel settings, and then click on Shopify app store. Okay, now it'll open up a new tab. Now here you can see a lot of apps here. So you can just select any of the apps here that you want to install, or you can just search them here at the search tab here at the top. All right, so let's say I'm going to choose a Pinterest tab here, app. So just click on that, and then you can just click on install. And then of course there's going to be authorizations here for you to be able to install this app on your Shopify store, and then click on install here. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, now here you just need to connect your Pinterest account, and then once your Pinterest account has been connected, you'll see your app here. All right, so that's about it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.